With our final act of the night, ladies and gentlemen, it's Paul Potts.
Paul, I've got one question for you. Can you get me a Nokia 6210? I'm joking. The whole country has gone Paul Potts potty. I mean, what's the reaction been like? What's the reaction been like from your friends at work?
I don't think any of them could believe it, and I don't think, in all honesty, I can believe that all this is happening to me. It's, you know, I said last time, you know, it's like a bus journey, and it's heading to sort of Never Never Land. You know, it's just so difficult to believe, and I'm just so, you know, grateful that, you know, I'm able to gain a bit of confidence. I should have more faith in myself, and I'm working on that. And it's really shown me the way, you know, and hopefully it's the start of.
Let's see what these guys made of it. Here's what you made of that tonight. What a performance.
Paul, I remember your audition very well, because I remember you coming on stage in that terrible suit, and you looked nervous, you looked scared even. The expectation level was very low. I turned to Simon, I remember, we both raised our eyebrows when you said opera. We thought, oh my God, here we go. And then you began to sing, and we just felt the hair on our back go up. And it's carried on like that every time you've sung. And when you'd finished that audition, I remember thinking to myself, I've just seen the winner of Britain's Got Talent. And I've got to say, we have seen some incredible acts tonight, but having watched you perform again that same song, I still think we've seen the winner of Britain's Got Talent.
This show has absolutely wrung me out to dry. I'm knackered. I'm just like, I've got nothing left. You know, You won't be going back to Car Phone Warehouse. You won't be on any kind of pay-as-you-go. You'll be on a contract from Monday.
You can assume that, but, you know, this is all about winning. And as Piers said, you know, your story touched everyone when you came out. Shy, humble man with an extraordinary talent. And I want to give the underdog a shot on this show, and I'd love you to win after that performance.
Thank you, guys. Brilliant. Brilliant. Great performance. Well done, Paul.
If you think Paul Potts should be singing for the Queen, the number to call is 09011 32 22 06. One more time, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Paul Potts.